So guys, today we fitted a 2016 3 Series Android radio. This is the old one. That's now the new one. You can put SD cards and so on and so forth into the side. It will give you all of the music.
So the old one is 6.5 inch and the new one is 10.1 inch.
That's the Bluetooth.
It looks original.
Play video. Go back to your normal iDrive system, or you can hold menu. You just press and hold. We then change back to normal. We can use internet. You can go YouTube, whichever, whatever you want to do. Use dashboard, gives you clocks. And once you start your car, that works with the car as well. We've got Easy Connect. These are the other apps. We have Play Store, so you can download numerous apps on there. I do my Easy Connect. What you do is you make sure your phone's connected on hotspot. I have a screen mirror. Press OK. And that's it. My phone is now on the screen. And whichever I go to, i.e. YouTube, play a video. And that's it. With that, you can see it works with your normal iDrive system as well. Also put a reverse camera into this.